Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, this is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. What are the messages for Libra? Under the deck, Page of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Wands. So lots of communication is coming, Libra, in future, and you are taking your control back and you want to stand by your power. And Page of Wands, some communication or text is coming. For some, you both have age differences between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see, we're reading recent past, the Hierophant, King of Pentacles, and Four of Cups. I think there are some commitment issues between you and your person, because the Hierophant, you are committed to this person, but this person is not committed to you. They're in and out of your life because you are feeling missed opportunity here. Four of Cups, or you're feeling lonely, or you're feeling bored because they are in and out of your life. There is no stability between you and your person in the recent past. Then present, Queen of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Devil. You have strong emotions towards this person. You love this person a lot. For some, a new person is entering into your life, but this person is toxic for you for some, guys, and you also obsessed with them. For some, they are obsessed with you. Definitely there are some obsession, some dark energies here. I think they treated you as an option, cold shouldering here, because they will come when they want and they go when they want, that type of energy. And Justice, Ace of Pentacles, and Five of Pentacles. Yes, they treated you as an option in past. For some, maybe they're coming back for second chances, because the Justice with Ace of Pentacles. For some, you decided to cut off this person from your life and you started focusing on your career, because Ace of Pentacles. Because they ghosted you, they treated you as an option. That's why you are taking your control back. You want to give clarity to your person, but you concentrating on yourself. You are doing self-love, and you are more concentrating on your career, on your abundance, Libra. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yes, the Moon and the Death, Chariot. So yeah, there are some illusions or disturbances between you and your person. Yeah, there is one type of ending between you and your person, but they want rebirth in this connection. So let's see their feelings and intentions. Their feelings and intentions towards you. Three blues, all blue. Eight of Cups with Two of Swords. Maybe for some they walked away from this connection. Two of Swords. Right now your person is at some crossroads. They missing you. Four of Cups. Maybe for some they want to leave behind everything that is happened between you and your person, like negative things. Yeah, now they're realizing your worth. Now they're suffering in silence because Five of Cups is here. They're missing you so much. And your person going through some transformation, Libra, and the full energy. So they want new beginnings with you. They're thinking about brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their intentions. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, right now a person feeling stuck. Again, Four of Cups. So they want to fix the things between both of you, but right now they are feeling stuck. Yeah, right now they're going through a lot in their lives because the Tower with Knight of Pentacles. Now they're realizing you both, now they want to come back. For some it's too late. Right now they are feeling alone without you. And Six of Swords, yeah, they want to fix the things between you and your person, and they want a brand new beginnings. They are missing you badly and they are stuck on you, Libra. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Libra. Yeah, right now they are missing you so much and they are suffering in silence. And Justice with Queen of Pentacles. So there is some communication is coming and they want second chances. Maybe they want to say some truth to you. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person. You are not trusting this person. Things will turn into your favor. And Page of Swords. So they are spying on you. Maybe you are spying on them, Libra. And children is also involved in this connection. For some, you both are in twin flame journey. But text is coming. Definitely there will be some communication between you and your person. Maybe you are waiting for divine timing. So let's see the mutual. Wow, Two of Cups with Six of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. So if you both decided to work on this relationship, definitely there will be reconciliation and this relationship is going to be next level. But only one person taking care of this relationship responsibility, but another person in and out of the relationship, then this is going nowhere. So there should be equal give and take, there should be mutual love and there should be responsibility. Then it is going to be next level. So definitely for some there will be reconciliation, for some it depends on your situation because yeah, I think in past there is no equal give and take for sure, but love is mutual between you and your person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I will never forget you. I'm crazy about you. Free yourself. Past life connection. All I want is you. And I feel so alone. So the messages are, I feel so alone. I will never forget you. I'm crazy about you. Free yourself. Past life connection. All I want is you. So these are the messages from your person and through the channel. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Libra. Expect powerful changes. New moon eclipse. So there is some powerful changes coming, especially in your relationship or in your life. There will be some powerful change, especially when new moon eclipse. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini energy. So if you are searching for answers for your questions, this is the message for you. The answers you need are coming, especially Gemini when full moon in Gemini. This is Gemini energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.